Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard flour. First, select fresh, vibrant flowers that will hold up well during the hardening process. Consider roses, hydrangeas, or carnations for best results. Next, ensure you have a well-ventilated area to work in, as some hardening agents can have strong fumes. Finally, gather all your supplies, including the hardening solution, before you begin. Now, let's talk about materials. You'll need a good quality hardening agent. Silica gel is excellent for preserving natural color and shape. For a dip solution, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Before treatment, trim your flower stems to about 6 to 8 inches and remove any foliage that would be submerged. It is crucial that your flowers are completely dry to prevent mold and ensure proper absorption of the agent. The hardening process itself is straightforward. If using silica gel, carefully bury each flower in the crystals, ensuring full coverage. For a dip solution, submerge the flower head completely, then gently shake off any excess. Place the treated flowers in a dry, undisturbed area. Drying times vary. Silica gel might take 3 to 7 days, while dip solutions could be quicker. Check for firmness to confirm they are fully hardened. Once your flowers are perfectly hardened, carefully brush away any remaining silica gel or residue. Handle them gently, as they can still be delicate. Now, you can arrange your beautiful, long-lasting flowers in a vase or incorporate them into various crafts. They make wonderful keepsakes or unique gifts. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your stunning, preserved floral creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.